So if you are one of those savvy beauty therapists and you start to notice these things on your clients, because I imagine a lot of beauty therapists would have clients that are 40 plus, so these symptoms may be in many of their clients. What can you recommend without going over the boundary of what defines you as a beauty therapist to, being a nutritionist, for example? What can you do? What can you say?
Well, I think what's exciting for us as an industry, Frank, is that you now have the rise of the holistic therapist.
Yes.
Right? And I have them contacting me all the time because they now realize that for them, nails and waxing no longer cut it, that they want to be more skin focused.
Yes.
And they want to become more holistic in their approach because they recognize that there is that gut-skin connection.
Yes.
And so, as you know, we now have ingestibles that are food grade supplements that are accessible to the clinics. And so alongside their home care recommendations, they can recommend internal support.
Right.
I also, for example, I provide meal plans that are skin condition specific.
That's right.
Right. So meal plans are also great because often, as they're talking to the client about maybe her need to cut down on the alcohol, and she might go, well, I had a lady.
I need it for sleeping.
Well, yes. And
Sometimes they say.
Yes, I had a lady who said to me, I'm Irish, I've been drinking since I was 14. Or I'm Scottish, I've been drinking since I was 14. So for some of them, they don't know any other way, but they actually enjoy it because they think that it helps them sleep.
Yes, but it doesn't.
Well, it's called a class 1 carcinogen for a reason, because it decimates the good bacteria, but it also, like you said, it is very sleep disruptive. So it does not allow them to go into REM sleep, which is the restorative sleep that the body needs to then do a good clean sweep to do all of its detoxification and regeneration. That happens in your deep sleep.
In the deep sleep.
So alcohol is disruptive. They are in that very sort of light sleep where they've got to go to the toilet, they then can't get back to sleep again. And so it's trying to find ways of dealing with that, because we now know that sleep is very, very important. And a lack of sleep, they've found with shift workers that there are higher levels of different cancers in those cohorts, right? So we know that 7 to 8 hours is really what they recommend. And so to go back to your question, I think as the therapist becomes a lot more aware of how body systems are interconnected, and it's not just about what you see here, I think when you set yourself up because you have educated yourself, you come across more as an authority. And the client is more inclined to take you seriously. And so, if you had something like a meal plan, if you had these supplements, then you could explain to her why you're recommending them and what they're going to do. Yes. So, to answer your question, there's a lot that she can do, but it's not just going to take skincare. Because you've got to deal with the inflammation that is low grade, low burning, constantly in the body. And
I love that idea of the meal plan where you don't necessarily need to be a nutritionist. No. It's all kind of there for you. And they can get that from you.
Yeah, they can. And what I actually...
And we'll put the links on the bottom of this thing so that if anyone wants to have meal plans ready to go and be able to recommend the clients, they can do that.
And I put their clinic name and logo, so it's personalised for the clinic. And then I've got a blurb that explains the condition, but I say, in collaboration with a skin-focused nutritionist, she's a Westcar, we have prepared this plan for you.
Fantastic.
So that way the clinic is absolved of any kind of suggestion that she's trying to step outside of her scope.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant.